Top 5 hidden Android settings that can double your battery life. And most people don't know them. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down. After that, tap on battery. Then tap on battery saver. And here you select maximum battery saving to save the most battery. After that, turn on the use battery saver option. This helps your phone reduce background activity, lower power usage, and extend your battery life instantly. Number 2. In the battery setting, here you tap on adaptive battery. Now turn on the use adaptive battery option. This helps your phone learn your usage and block apps that drain your battery in the background automatically. Number 3. In the settings, just scroll down, then tap on system. Now here you will find developer options. If developer options not showing on your device, then I already made a video on that. Just check the description. I have given the link in the description of this video. So here you just tap on developer options. And here you will find stay awake. Make sure the stay awake option is turned off. This prevents your screen from staying on during charging and saves battery. Number 4. Still in the developer options, just scroll down. Now you will find Wi-Fi scan throttling. Just turn this on. This reduces unnecessary Wi-Fi scanning and increases battery backup. Number 5. In the developer options, tap on the search icon. And here type reduce battery. Now you will see the option reduce battery drain when inactive. Just tap on it. Now here you will find 4 options. Just turn on all the options and set the default battery level to 20%. This helps your phone save battery automatically and keeps your battery health good in the long run. That's it. These were the top 5 hidden Android settings that can help you save maximum battery on your device. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.